In this video we are talking about how you can install Pubg in your Windows. So the first step toward installing Pubg in your PC is that you have to go on a website. If you go for buying the Pubg official for PC, it costs around in India it costs around 1000. So it's a very simple method. You have to first go through a link, like this is the link where you got the file, and just open it. Then just download this version. This is the official version, so download this version. Click on download. After downloading the file, just click on the file. Click yes. Now the pop-up comes and you have to click on start. And here start, this is like the folder, this is like the menu. You can if you're downloading, you can click, this is the steps, and it is downloading. So just wait for a few minutes. If you're having a good internet connection, then you'll probably complete it faster. Okay, so just put it like this. As you can see, our download is complete. So just click on OK and click on Pubg. This is for your keyboard shortcut, and this is for your full screen. If I click on this, it goes to full screen, and after pressing F1 it regain its position. And these are nothing but, if you explore more you get more, and that is the fact. So and here you got the file. Just log in with these accounts or just play as a guest. Simple.